Wood turners love thin kerf parting tools because they allow you to get more turning from less stock. They cut with less resistance, and they open up other design options, like the grooves of a honey dipper. But those thin blades can be tricky to sharpen. They dull quickly, and they're prone to burning. Ultra Shear has changed all that by eliminating sharpening altogether. Instead, the cutting edge is a nano-grain carbide insert, ground on computerized equipment, polished to a razor edge, and replaceable in seconds. With 10 thousandths clearance on each side between the insert and the blade, you'll get clean cuts without burning, even on deep parts at high speed. Our unique insert geometry works differently than a standard metalworking cutoff tool. There's a